Hey friends, if system tray icons are not working on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will try to guide you through the resolutions. So here's the thing. First of all, try to restart File Explorer. So search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. If you find the Windows Explorer process here, right click on it and then select restart. If you don't, then you'll find the Explorer process in the background processes. But if it's already in the foreground, then you won't find it separately. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution will be to perform system restore, because see, if these system tray icons are not working and they were working earlier, then there must be some recent change that must have caused the problem, right? Otherwise, why are you facing this problem? So in this case, here's what you can do. You can search for recovery in the Windows search bar and go to the recovery panel, and then select open system restore, choose a different restore point, next, and then choose a good restore point, next, finish, and then click on yes to initiate the system restore process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.